Okay, so my Dewalt Orbital sander just went out. Looks like it's stuck. Something don't sound right in there. I see a little piece of plastic up top there. It had quit running. I tried a couple of different batteries in it. I've only been using it a few months. Light duty stuff around my yard, you know, a couple boards here and there. Probably don't even have 5 hours on it, you know, maybe 2 or 3 hours at the most. I was sanding this step for a step stool. And it's not like I'm sanding cars with it. I never used it on a car, just a couple old boards and stuff like that that I want to paint. Got one more battery here. I'm pretty sure that one's fully charged. That one I think I took out of a drill. Let's see what happens here. So I think I'll pull them screws out and see what's going on with it in there. Okay, so I figured I'd try it since it looked like it was running, but there ain't no power to it. It's going around, but nothing. So I'll check the batteries, make sure they're fully charged. I'll start there. But okay, so those batteries were fully charged, so there must be something wrong with it. I saw a little piece of plastic floating around in there, so I'm going to pop off the pad here, see if there's something jammed up inside there, but I don't see nothing here. But it does seem to be sticking right there. Okay, so tutorial on taking off a Dewalt Velcro pad. It looks like you can use a straight screwdriver or these hex nuts. So I just happen to have this. It's a Cobalt 25 piece telescoping ratchet screwdriver set. So it's got screwdrivers and it's got these fancy T25, kind of big. T20 should work. So lefty loosey. Like I said earlier, I've only used it a few hours, and the sanding pads have already started to fly off. I had one fly off the other day and one flew off this morning. Same thing happened with the cheap one I bought at Walmart. I guess that's the best they can do for Velcro, huh? So if you pick one of these up, you might as well pick up a second pad at the same time. That way you got it when you need it. Don't have to wait a week online ordering it. Okay, there's all the screws. There's only 4 screws. Okay, that comes off like that. Really not much to it. I do see like a little rubber thing down in here. That looks like it might be part of it. Can't really tell. Let me grab a battery. Batteries are fairly new too. I know I got 4 of them. And 2 of them might be about a year old, and the other 2 I've only been using a few months. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, there's little pieces of plastic. It's like a plastic rope flying out of there. What that could be, some type of washer. There seems to be running there. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Maybe the techs at Dewalt will know what that little rubber washer is there. It's like a little clean piece of rubber, white piece of white rubber rope or something, some type of seal. Okay. Except for learning how to take it off, that was a waste of time, huh? So that's on 7. So it runs, but as soon as you touch something, it quits. Almost like it has something to do with this switch here, this adjustment. Maybe not. Runs fine until you touch something. Okay. We'll see if they'll take it back. See ya. Bye. Hi. Hi, Betty. Okay, so Amazon sent me a new one. Only took them 2 days. I think I put in the request Monday. No, maybe Sunday, because it came on Tuesday. It was like almost the very next day. Comes with a screen. Comes with a sander. This is tool only, so it doesn't come with a battery and a charger. Okay. Looks like there's little balls in there. Probably supposed to catch on this ridge here. Okay. These are some old sandpaper pads from the other day.